The update we have been waiting for. Last night I got my 2020.12.5 update, and the major addition is the Dashcam Viewer. This now allows reviewing dashcam and SentryCam footage that the car records on the car's display. Press the dashcam icon on the top right of the screen. You will now see footage and launch viewer choices. Press Launch Viewer. When it starts, it automatically starts playing the last recording. The default view is the front camera. You can press any of the corners to get different camera views. Tesla even labeled the corner views. Top left is front, top right is rear, bottom right is right, and bottom left is left. So pressing this view will bring up the larger window. On the bottom is a play button, which can alternate with a pause button to stop the video. The timeline is shown along the bottom. You can press the dot and move it along the line if you want to move ahead. You can also move the dot to the left if you want to go towards the beginning of the video. Here you can press the corners and have the video change to that view. This changed from right to front. Front to rear. Rear to left. And left to right. Press the menu button, the one with the 3 lines. This allows you to choose a video to watch. They are sorted by date, newest on the top and oldest towards the bottom. The default setting is to show all videos as shown by the all button highlighted. You can also choose to see Sentry and Dashcam videos separately. Select the Sentry button just to see the Sentry videos, and likewise press the Dashcam to see just the Dashcam videos. Let me show some more example videos. If you want to delete a particular recording, press the delete button on the lower right side. I have found some bugs in the software. When I try to move the dot towards the right side of the timeline, say the last 5 or 10 seconds, it never seems to get that far. It always resets to an earlier position. Here I'll delete a few videos to get some extra space on the drive. Before this update, I would occasionally get some recordings that are empty. You can see these on the player with blank thumbnail pics. When looking at the files on my PC, they are small or 0-byte files. Here's another problem I encountered when it gets close to the end of the timeline. It tends to either go back to the beginning, or in this case, it just locked up. And here you can see it moved back about more than halfway through the timeline. At this point, the screen locks up. I guess it wasn't too happy. I don't get any responses by pressing any of the buttons on the screen. I managed to lock up the program and it froze the screen entirely. I ended up having to reboot the screen with pressing the 2 steering wheel button method. After the reboot, everything seemed to be working fine again. Yet it still resets to halfway on the timeline when it gets towards the end. Here is one last recording, and then I'll get to the conclusion of my video. I have a couple suggestions for improvements. I would like the viewer to allow 2 times, 4 times, or 8 times viewing speeds, similar to what some standalone and online viewers currently have. This is a great help in finding a point when the SentryCam detects an issue. Usually this is somewhere around the last 1/3 to 1/4 of a 10-minute recording. I really like using the Sentry Keeper app on my PC. It has some nice features like combining multiple camera views into one video and also connecting shorter 1-minute files together. It would also be nice to arrange the video streams in, for example, this format, which shows the front view on top and the bottom left, rear, and right views on the bottom. Another option that would fit the screen better would be to use the front and rear views on top and the left and right views on the bottom. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. It helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.